There's a road over here. But I don't think this is it. From over there, see that slope ahead? See it? From there. Let's go check it out.
You go.
You go, wait me? He almost wiped out but saved it. KTM is a beast. Let's go. Time to keep moving. Wait, why is my bike sinking? Look at my visor. It's sparkling like a rainbow. It looks amazing. So beautiful. Curly. I can't get it out. Oh, it sank even deeper. Find a rock. Find a rock. My bike's sinking into the sand. Oh. My God. This sand is way too soft. Hey. It's in neutral. Why won't it move? Curly, come help me. Give me a hand. Okay. Got it, we're good. You can let go. Let's go. Unhung.